Bula! Bula everybody! Bula my friends and family on Facebook. How are you all this evening? Today I'd like to share with you the fastest way to get your first sale, get a free account in my business, and build a huge global team. So I'd like to welcome all of you, any of you that jump on this evening. As you jump on, don't forget to say Bula. Hi, I can see people jumping on. Bula guys, say hi. Let me know you're around. Thanks for joining. So yeah, feel free guys, feel free to say hi as you jump on. So in this video, I will share my experiences on the fastest way to compress your success timeframes for your online business or a business that you're hoping to market online. While there are many ways to market your products and services online, I will share what's working for me and my team as I learn from the online marketing experts themselves. So the fastest way to get your first sale, get a free account in my business, and build a huge global team. So the fastest way to get your first sale is to launch your business in public, in the open, online. I mean, what's the point of getting into business if you're gonna keep it quiet, right? Unless you got something to hide. Do you? So you launch. How do you launch the fastest way to get your first sale? Ads, advertisements of you. What kind of ads? Videos. Now I know what you're thinking. I don't know. Well, guys and girls, that is the fastest way to make a sale. Let me tell you why. How do you buy your stuff? You buy them from people you like, people you know, people you trust, don't you? You develop a connection with them. It was emotional. You see, people buy with emotion and then later justify with logic. That's why you must make videos of yourself. You are the product. You are the product they buy. The thing your customers walk away with is simply an extension of that need. Whether it be physical, like food or a nice shirt, or a service that will provide a solution for their life's problems. Get a free account in my business. The fastest way to get a free account in my business is to keep doing videos. You see, this online strategy is one that attracts the right kind of people. You want customers to walk into your shop that want to buy, right? Or do you prefer to keep running out of your shop, hustling people on the sidewalk or on the road? Or do you prefer to follow them home? No, that's silly. It's tiring and it's so draining. So stay in your shop and start making effective video campaigns. So keep doing videos and your customers will find you. Once you have a minimum of 3 sales, you get a free account. There are 7 billion people all over the world. The internet has allowed us, the ordinary man and woman, to move our message across the world at lightning speed. Stop thinking small. Think big. Think global. Build a huge global team. The fastest way to build a huge global team is to be consistent with your videos. Consistency is key, guys. It requires some self-commitment. Definitely some self-commitment, some self-development. Your videos must be value-adding and full of personality. Be yourself. You're good enough just as you are. Look around you. See the people that love you. If not, look up. Well, thank you guys and girls for hanging out. Shout outs to all those guys that have jumped on. Bula guys. Bula. Oh dear, what have I done here? And for those of you that are going to jump on the replay, make sure you say hi. Smash the like button if you agree. Share this video because this message might help someone. Comment and introduce yourself and let us know your thoughts. And subscribe because we're getting along. So this is Fred from Fiji. Sotatale.